they have often mistaken as a seal, because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and sea lions is the fact that they have bigger flippers, and they can also turn their back before something seals cannot do. As a result, they can override while all that. And that's a point of inspiration. How about the rest of us working on France? And you know what, guys? They have no store and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about the rest of us working on France? As you can see, their body is covered with a little capsules or skin, and their whiskers help the sea lions sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. What a smile! Hey! And they can also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from rainwater. And there's smoke in their ears. If you have a sense of hearing, look up on video the water surface. Sea lions taken by animals can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they have water-logged doors that like liquid rifles, and they have a preference for rocky places. They have excellent climb abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Here's our front. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions can generally cruise around in deadly miles per hour using their own movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Ida and Trainer Bees. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a first speed up to, ready I see, 25 miles per hour. And that is so fast. How about a round of applause for Annie, the Olivia? Good, nice time. And another one. She deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained two of them to take part of their special operation? Yeah, that's right. They can aim and about their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best air diver would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. So trainers, ladies, are you ready? Well then, sit. Now let's march. Ready guys? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, sit. This time, could you please join our Silan friends in next group in a count of three? Everybody please look and make this one loud. People of the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions is no easy to search, and we cover equipment from the water to up. So swimmers, but first, the tips. Go and get the tips, sea lion friends. And we got it! A round of applause for sea lion friends. Great job, ladies. And another one. Here at sea water. So trainers, what next? hope you all enjoy